Hey, what's up guys, my name is Chris. I'm back in the video and this is the Mara X1 that I'm going to unbox on the screen here. That's the new generation of the Mara X and Z. So what is inside the box? This is the Mara X1. I might do the Mara Z, but let's get inside the Mara X1. It's a very compact box and I like it. I like how Mara did this packaging of the Mara X1. This is the phone, this is the box, so you can see Maraphone logo, and then afterward you get the SIM card ejector and also the cover for the phone. Let me put it aside, and this is the headphone and also the charger. Let's get inside the phone. This is the phone, as you can see on the screen, the Mara X1. First of all, this phone is really big, good quality design. Outside it's a glass and this feels very premium. So let's go inside and see what is the Mara X1. What should you care about this phone, what's new, and what should we focus right now. So I'm just setting my profile right here, but while I'm setting my profile, let me just go through the specs of this phone and probably why you might like about this phone. It's a 6-inch display, which is really good and really big enough for you if you want that, and 4000 mAh battery, which is also good. 13 megapixel of camera. First of all, before I show you how good or how the camera might be for you to judge, I really like how the camera is designed. Putting all the camera outside in that square just feels very good. I actually like how I designed the camera on the Mara X1 more than the Mara Z1. It's an Android 10, of course, 3 GB of RAM, and also it has 4 dual SIM. If you like 4 dual SIM, it's just good for you. Face ID and fingerprints when you setting a camera, also this fingerprint, and also once you're done you can also set your Face ID. I'm setting my phone. I'm just going to start going inside the phone. I think everything is set by now. Yeah, I'm inside the phone. So overall, I like how good this camera is designed. It's very good packaged, more than the last generation of Mara X and Mara Z. And also they came up with the USB Type-C, which I'm thankful compared to the micro USB on the Mara Z and the Mara X. And this new generation have a good built-in battery. This is the 4000 mAh battery, which you want to know. And I think that's all if you want to test this phone. And another thing, they run Android One. This is the earphone and also the charging cable. And there's nothing else in the box. I think, yeah, that's all you need to know. And I'm very thankful of this and how this phone really good. They really cared about the design and also the packaging this time, and also the battery life and how you can use the phone on daily basis. If you have a good day long and then you don't have to worry about charging, this is an option to think of. I think that's all you need to know on the Mara X1. I'm gonna make a review afterward showing you what's good on this phone. This is just an unboxing and showing you about the specs of this phone. I think that's all for this video. My name is Chris. I'll just catch you in the next video. Peace.